Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mexican enchiladas verdes. We will begin by gathering all your fresh ingredients, including ripe tomatillos and spicy chilies, which are essential for our flavorful green sauce. Then, we will prepare that incredible salsa verde from scratch, ensuring a truly authentic taste. Finally, we will assemble and bake your enchiladas to golden perfection, creating a delightful meal for everyone to enjoy. This guide makes it simple and fun. The heart of our enchiladas is the incredible salsa verde. Start by roasting about 1 pound of tomatillos, 2 serrano peppers, and 1 jalapeno until they are beautifully softened. Next, blend these roasted vegetables with a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and 1 clove of garlic until smooth. Finally, simmer your vibrant green sauce for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly, and season it with salt to your liking. Now let's prepare our delicious enchilada filling. You can use about 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, or if you prefer, 1½ cups of a savory cheese blend works wonderfully. Next, gently warm 12 corn tortillas to make them soft and easy to roll without breaking. Dip each tortilla into your amazing salsa verde, add your chosen filling, roll it up tightly, and place it seam side down in a baking dish. To finish, generously pour any remaining salsa verde over your beautifully rolled enchiladas in the baking dish. Then bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until they are bubbly and heated through. Serve your homemade enchiladas immediately, garnished with a dollop of Mexican crema, a sprinkle of crumbled cheese, and some fresh, finely diced onion for extra flavor. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.